Are you tired of strategic plans that look great on paper but go nowhere? You're not alone. The data is in, and it's alarming. The gap between strategy and execution is wider than ever. But why? And more importantly, what can you, as a leader, do about it? Good day, I am the avatar double for Glenn Daniels, and welcome. It comes down to a simple but powerful idea: strategic alignment. Think of your organization as a high-performance engine. Your strategy is the destination you've programmed into the GPS. But if the wheels aren't aligned, if the engine isn't firing on all cylinders, you're not going anywhere. You're just burning fuel and creating a lot of noise. A recent Harvard Business Review study found that while 91% of leaders know alignment is critical, less than 14% believe their own organization is actually aligned. That's a massive disconnect. When your people don't understand the strategy or how their work connects to it, you get what we're seeing today: burnout, disengagement, and failed projects. So, how do you fix it? Here are 3 things you can do right now. First, make clarity your obsession. Your team is starving for it. They need to understand the why behind the what. Don't just send a memo. Tell a story. Connect the dots between their daily tasks and the company's biggest goals. Gallup found that clarity of expectations is the #1 thing that has declined in employee engagement. Fix that, and you fix a lot. Second, treat alignment as a continuous discipline, not a one-time project. The world is too uncertain for an annual planning cycle to be your only touch point. Strategy needs to be a living, breathing conversation inside your organization. Put it on the agenda for your weekly leadership meetings. Create a rhythm of review and adaptation. Third, be bold. In an era of what McKinsey calls radical uncertainty, playing it safe is the biggest risk you can take. The leaders who are winning are making bold, no-regrets moves. They're not waiting for a perfect picture of the future. They're shaping it. Fixing your broken strategy isn't easy. It requires a new level of leadership, discipline, and courage. But the alternative, a disengaged workforce, failed projects, and a widening gap between you and your competition, is far more costly. It's time to get your organization aligned and moving in the right direction. Time to take action. Please share this with others in your circle of influence.